guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hen and this is just my YouTube channel about my life. So come on in and take a seat and you are welcome. That was a bit of a different intro, but I just kind of went with it. So today, if you have not read the description yet, is the finally awaited new bedroom tour. I moved in November and it's March now, but I wanted to wait to do this tour till I kind of had everything. I still don't have everything in place that I want, but the main thing I was waiting for is my new bed, which you will definitely see in this video. I've given some sneak peeks over on my Instagram. If you don't follow me there, go and follow me. I post a lot of stuff on there, and yeah, basically just updates about everything happening in my life. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I just wanted to say, this video is not me trying to like brag about my room or like show off. It's literally just the room that I got in the house that we bought, and my family and I feel very blessed and very happy and just grateful to have been able to buy a house in Auckland, New Zealand. If you don't know, just the housing market in New Zealand in general is just crazy at the moment. And so yeah, this is not like a show off video. It's just so many people have requested this video from me, like in person, in DMs, just like when I've put polls up on my Instagram, they've just like show us. So I'm here to deliver what the people want. So my room consists of basically 4 rooms, if you can kind of call it. So I'll show you. As you walk up the stairs, there's like a study area, which is mine and my sister's, but I predominantly use it. And then there's like the bedroom area. I have a small walk-in cupboard. It's my first ever walk-in cupboard, so I'm very like pumped about it, but it's very small. And then I just have an ensuite bathroom, which is also tiny, so it's not like extravagant. Literally only one person can fit in this bathroom. So yeah, anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video. But actually before that, I just wanted to thank everyone for all the love that was on my Kmart video, which is my previous video. Yeah, I am so overwhelmed by it. It's my most viewed video. It's gotten me the most subscribers. So I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who subscribed and who's new here, and you're welcome. Hi, I'm so happy to see you. If you're back, yeah, just feeling really overwhelmed, so thank you so much for that. I do have another Kmart haul coming up in the next few days, so be sure to check that out. But for now, make sure to subscribe and put your notifications on so that you don't miss it. So now, I think for the 3rd time, without further ado, let's get into the video.
Guys, so as I said, as you walk in, this is like my study area, and then here is my bedroom. I don't know if this is messy or not, but yeah, so this is the bed, like living area. We'll go into more detail of each area as we do it. This wall is not complete, so I was like hesitant to show this and do this video now, but this wall is definitely a work in progress. So this stuff all needs to go up, and I want to get more stuff up, but it's just going to take a little bit of time because I haven't found stuff. Then there's my walk-in cupboard. It's really small, literally just walk in. And then there's my bathroom, and then this is like the dressing table area. Here's my tea Becky made me. So now I'm just going to do each area in a little bit more. Okay, so like I said, this wall is not done. I want to get some more pictures and stuff, but I don't want to put this stuff up until I have those pictures and things. So yeah, I just got this. I found these flowers. I haven't put them in a vase yet. I thought they were cool. And then I've just got this box. It's got like my everyday bag, my laptop bag for uni, although we're not in uni because we're in a lockdown at the moment, staying at home. And then I just got my 2 foam rulers in here. I just thought it keeps it nice and organized and it looks cool. And yeah, I'm thinking like getting lights here and putting up a whole lot more pictures. Then as you walk into my cupboard, I didn't have it organized like this in the first place when we moved in. I don't know if that makes sense, in the first place, like when we first moved in. But I'm so happy. So as you can see, it's literally just me in here, and it's not that big. So yeah, just a size perspective. So I love that I've put my jerseys here now and my bags. Like those are my most used bags. There's like I'm pretty sure there's a bag behind this. Yeah, like a backpack and my black bags. So yeah, my jerseys, everything is organized in either color or by season. So here I have my jerseys all organized into colors, as you can see. Then here I have my summer clothes, and then just like underwear and things. Then here I have all my summer shoes. These are just shoe boxes that I have kept. I don't really know why, I just have. So there's just like, this is the space I want to kind of get shelving to put them on. I just haven't got that far yet. Then this is just a basket where I keep my alternate comforter in for my bed, because yeah, it's just too big to store in the linen cupboard, so I just store it on my slippers. It's gonna fall, OMG. Okay, and then here I have all my like blouses, and they go from winter to summer, and they are color coordinated. Then here I just have like my track pants and my like chill pants. Some of them are in the wash, this is not all that I own. And then sunscreen, because it's important to wear sunscreen. These are my winter tops and like thin sweaters, my winter PJs, and then this is more like socks, underwear and costumes. Then at the top on this side I just have storage. So this stuff was originally on that side, and as you walked into my room it didn't look like a cupboard, so I put it here. So this is just like extra bags and things, and like toiletry bags, travel bags, that type of stuff. Then this is just like, I don't even know what's in there. I think it's like stuff from my childhood and things. Yeah, and then this is just the nail stuff, because as you can see I do my own nails. So it's just my nail lamp and just like all the different colors and things. It's got to stay out of the sunlight, so it's kept there. And then this is the winter side. So these are all my sweaters and my pants. So if you need a good way to store pants, because I have so many, get these types of like hangers for pants. It keeps them like flat and stuff. So yeah, they are color organized as well. And then down here, I don't know if you can see that well, but these are just like some bigger jackets of mine. My big puffy jackets and stuff are kept like with the families on the coat rail, so they're also in color order. I need some red in there, I think, maybe a pink jacket as well. And then here I just have my matric dance dress, and then just like skirts, dresses, play suits. These are organized from summer to winter. And then here I have more shoes, so my boots are at the back. And then these are just like sneakers and tackies that I wear often. It's quite dark down here. And then here's like more gym shoes and stuff, like my tackies, I guess, as I like to call them. That is my cupboard. I'm not really gonna give you detail on the bathroom because it's literally just a shower and a toilet and the basin and stuff. So that's just my bathroom. Then we come here, Becky made me some tea, and then I like to keep my tea and water here just because it reminds me to drink it through the day. So this is like my vanity dressing table area. So I'll just do like a shot like this. So that is some shopping bags, like extra shopping bags, because they don't fit in my car. So yeah, if I lose some, I just put them there. And then here I have some handbags on display. These are like my most used handbags. So these two are from Crest. They're probably like my fanciest handbags. Yep. And then I like to keep my running shoes here just because I like them to have air and not like be stuck in a cupboard. So yeah, because they get all sweaty. And then this is just like scrunchies and like hair scarves and things. Some jewelry, my jewelry box, cute pictures of us, there's me, hi, and my perfumes, makeup brushes. So in these drawers is like my makeup. It's like kind of organized, sort of, yeah, anyway. This is just like hair stuff and like other makeup, perfume that I don't use often. And then the rest is just like accessories, and it's like all my sports stuff. So like I have one drawer for just like all my sports tops, one drawer for like all my sports pants and tights, and then I have another drawer for all my sailing clothes. So yeah, that is my vanity area. Okay, and now the star of the show. I just lay on it and took some pictures. My bed. So this is my bed. My parents kindly bought it for me birthday, which is why I also have balloons. These are balloons from my friend. She gave them to me for my birthday a few weeks ago. So yeah, my bed was like my birthday present. So yeah, very happy. I sourced the headboard though off Facebook Marketplace for free. I got it for free, girls and boys. Go me. So I'll just tell you a little bit about the bed. So my bed is made from recycled plastic fibers or something found in the ocean, but basically saves the ocean. I'll put up like a picture of the thing that was standing next to my bed. I can't find the words, but basically it's got recycled plastic fibers in it, so I'm saving the ocean. Yay! It's a queen bed. They were having like a giant special and it just made sense to get the queen bed, and then me and Chris will have a bed for ourselves one day. So for my bedside tables, I got these two like cube shelves, which I'll talk a bit more about in my Kmart video, so hint hint. I just thought they were a bit more original than like a normal bedside table. So this is the one that I use the most often. So this is just from Typo. Tissues, cream, cute candle, nail oil, another candle, my lamp, which I've had for like forever, probably need to upgrade that. Then I really wanted my plugs off the floor, so that's one of the main reasons why I got this cube shelf. So it just kind of nicely slides in here, plugs in at the back, and I tuck away all the wires here so you don't have like wires on the floor. And then I just have these like baskets that, oh, there's my ponytail. I lost my ponytail in the night and now I found it. Yay! Anyway, I just got these baskets to store some stuff. Yeah, just they look cute. Anyway, and then I've just got some blankets here for when it gets a bit colder. This is like my Bible and all my journals and another like candle. So yeah, that's that. This is the other one. It just didn't feel right having one bedside table with a queen bed. Let me talk to you like this. It just didn't feel right having one bedside table with a queen bed. So I got two, and you'll hear more about them in my Kmart video. So yeah, anyway, the second bedside table. I know I'm missing a picture there and there. This kind of hides it, but anyway. So yes, there's me and Chris. Crazy to think these photos are from like over a year ago. Anyway, I like to keep my laptop here like at night because I watch Netflix, so it's nice to just keep it here and know that it's safe and not on the floor. And then on this side, because they didn't have those other baskets, only had one pair, I decided to get wooden ones. So yeah, this one is just housing some sweets from my birthday and some chocolates that my parents got me. Then I just have these cute teddies here. I just thought it looked nice to put them there because I didn't really have anywhere else to put them, and I didn't have anything to put in there. And then here I've just got like I need to put this in my car, but I'm waiting to like go wash my car, but with COVID and stuff, it's just, yeah, anyway. And then I've just got, this is like a microwave Wheatie bag is what I call them. Yeah, more Valentine's Day chocolate from Mr. Chris. And then these are my baby blankets, so I just thought it was cute to display them there. I just have this ugly fan here because it's still hot at night and I don't like to use the aircon every night. So the last part of my room is my bookshelf and my teddy collection. So my bookshelf is just my bookshelf. I just got books, some games, puzzles, some decor, my Polaroid camera. This is quite cool. This is from Becky's 21st party. She had like a Gatsby 1920s theme, so that's there. Matching lamp. I was gonna put this lamp here on this bedside table, but I kind of like that display and I thought it looked nice up here. So yeah, just got my books, some more books, some childhood books, and then these are all my memory boxes from over the years. So yeah, and then these are just my favorite childhood books that I kept. So yeah, and then my teddies, I've just got some spare pillows and my teddies. So this is actually a Squishmallow, my first of many. Yeah, and then I've just got like extra pillows there. This was meant to be like a reading chill corner, I guess, but my teddies kind of took over. So yeah, they took over. But anyway, I have to say that I'm really digging my hairstyle today. Like these butterclip vibes. I am all for it. All for it. So yeah. Okay guys, so that was basically my room. I hope everything made sense and that you enjoyed the tour. I'm sorry that not like everything is done, aka the wall behind me. Need to get some stuff up there. Anyway, we will get there. And I hope that you hear me because I felt like I was going out of breath each time I spoke.
but it's okay. It was a lot to try and talk and try and get it through without sounding like I was rambling on. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my room tour and you kind of have a better understanding of what my room looks like now, and I hope that makes you happy that you've all finally seen it, sharing it on the internet. Anyway, I was really happy to make this video for you guys, and I really appreciate all the support. So if you want to carry on supporting me, if you have not already, guys, click that subscribe button down below, click the little bell to get notifications. Like I said, I have another Kmart video coming out, so make sure to stay tuned for that because it will be out in the next few days. Other than that, I hope you guys have a lovely weekend and that you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.